Hit like if you've been to Milan, and hit subscribe if you dream of discovering hidden gems beyond the usual tourist spots. Now, I have to confess that even though I love the glitz and glamour of Milan, sometimes I just want grass and a forest bath. And that is when I pack my backpack with sunglasses, DJI drone, power packs, a water bottle, and a bank card, all for the lovely refugios on the way, and head for the hills. Sometimes the best journeys are the ones that take you off the beaten track. And today, we are going off the beaten track. We're exploring the Santuario della Beata Vergine del Carmelo, or Santuario di Montevecchia. That's a mouthful, even for me. It's a sanctuary that's steeped in history and offering breathtaking views you don't want to miss. And guess what? It's just 40 kilometers from Monte Napoleone in Milan. So how do you get to this hilltop haven? The Santuario di Montevecchia is located just 40 kilometers or 25 miles northeast of Milan, making it an easy day trip. So from Milan, take a train to Cernusco and then hop on a local bus to Montevecchia. If you're driving, the journey takes about an hour. As you approach the hill, you'll spot the majestic Resegone mountains in the distance, and if you're lucky, and if the sky is clear, you can even glimpse the Alps. Now, the first time I visited the Santuario, it was a crisp autumn morning. As I climbed the hill, surrounded by the earthy smell of chestnut trees, I could feel the history seeping through the stones. Once I reached the top, the view took my breath away. On one side, the Brianza plain stretched endlessly. On the other, the Adda River Valley sparkled in the sun. And there, in the distance, was Milan's iconic skyline. And I remember thinking, why isn't everyone talking about this place? So, why should you visit the Santuario della Beata Vergine del Carmelo? First, the views. From the sanctuary, you can see the Resegone mountains, the Alps, and even the skyscrapers of Milan on a clear day. Second, the history. Built between the 16th and 17th centuries, over the remains of a 13th century church, this sanctuary has stood the test of time, offering peace and spiritual refuge for centuries, though I doubt that the builders in the 17th century ever imagined that in 2024 a random tourist would be flying a drone over their sanctuary. And the third reason you need to add this place to your bucket list is the surrounding nature. The hill is part of a lush, unspoiled landscape that's perfect for a quiet escape. Grab a picnic basket, a bottle of wine, and a good friend or partner, and create a magical memory. But the Santuario isn't the only reason to visit. Just a few kilometers away, you'll find the Eremo San Genesio, a small hermitage nestled on Mount San Genesio. Dating back to 950 AD, this historic site is surrounded by chestnut trees, which are especially beautiful in autumn when they're heavy with fruit. Are you someone who loves chestnuts? Comment yes and let us know. Now from here, you can admire the sweeping views of the Brianza Plain and the Adda River Valley. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking for a peaceful retreat, this area has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? The Santuario della Beata Vergine del Carmelo is more than a destination. It's an experience. It's about creating memories. Now sit back and relax and enjoy the bird's eye view of this magical spot. And before you click off and say arrivederci to me, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more hidden gems like this. So let's explore Italy together. You, me and my drone, one breathtaking view at a time. It's ciao for now. Divertiti or have fun, enjoy.